Bratz, Kuject sent us several VR accessories. You might have just seen a video of these Kuject grips that were decent. They've got a head strap here, although this box looks terribly familiar. VR comfort strap. Let's open this up and see what's in it. Always have that small, sharp unboxing knife. You don't want to hurt anybody or yourself. $35 with a $5 off right now. So that puts this head strap at $29.99. Some assembly required. Lots of assembly required. Looking at this thing already, I think we have reviewed one extremely close to this. One thing that this advertises that I hadn't seen advertised before is that you don't necessarily have to put all these back pieces on. They're saying you can try it each way and decide if you want less padding touching you, more padding touching you. Kind of interesting. Feels like it'll fit decent on the dome. Gear is loud and doesn't sound good. It feels better than it sounds, but it doesn't do either super well. This is it, fully assembled. They did say you don't have to use all these parts, and that does seem true because they left another hook down here in case you don't want this. I like a good amount of contact area on the back of my head, so I'm rocking all three. Strap feels cheap. I will say that right off the bat. 30 bucks. I would say this is more of a $20 strap, honestly. But once you get on your head, it does feel pretty good. I'm getting a little bit of ear bump here, but these are all rounded, so it doesn't feel sharp like other ones do there. Back of the head though, I mean, this bottom piece isn't even touching me. If I want that to touch me, there's no way with my head shape to get this bar to touch me at all. So I mean, I could take this off if I wanted to save some weight. I wouldn't really do that because the counterweight is probably better than nothing. The funny thing, this pad isn't fully removable, so you're still gonna have some pad hanging down there. It doesn't feel bad though. I mean, it hangs onto your face like any other Elite strap does. It puts weight here and pushes. It does grab onto the back of your head nicely. It is a solid design, so it's gonna help push some of that weight up. It doesn't bend down much besides your actual Quest arms bending. It seems to be fairly durable. Makes some creepy sounds, but it does bend. I mean, honestly, it's not a terrible head strap. The price is a little much though. Even on sale at 30 bucks, I wouldn't spend that much on this strap. I will not leave a link in the description to this one, but I will leave a link to some other ones around that price that I like better, just in case you're looking for a strap and you want something that's your budget. If this thing ends up $20 or less and you need a strap though, it's on sale or something, I'd say it's a decent strap for that price. Definitely not a terrible product. So thanks Kuject for sending it out to us. I hope that feedback was helpful for you. Thank you for coming out and being here with us today, and I'll see you in another reality.